චීනේ හැම එකකින්ම හදලා දෙනවා. බොන්න. එක එක මේ ටී තියෙනවා මේ මල් වර්ග රෝස් එකනේ. ඒ වෙලාවට මේක හදලා දෙනවා. චීනේ.
නැහැ ඉඳගත්තා. බෑ.
හැමදේම මෙතන තියෙන ගොඩක් ලයිට් ටීස් වල තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට පළවෙනි තියෙන සිල්වර් ටිප් එක. සිල්වර් ටිප්
මේ සාමාන්‍ය ෆ්ලේවර් එකේ
සාමාන්‍ය තේ කියන හන්දේ වෙනම ක්ලෝන් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ 43 කියලා තමයි 2043 කියලා තමයි ක්ලෝන් එක කියන්නේ. ඒ ක්ලෝන් එකෙන් විතරයි එක හදන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකෙන් හදන තේම white tea කියලා කියන්නේ.
සාමාන්‍ය white tea. White tea.
Simple.
This is white tea. Yeah, you can explain in English.
Yeah.
So this is white tea. It is made from the silver tips.
Silver
from the
tips.
different tea clone.
Okay.
Right? So it's very light tea. You know, you feel like very soft.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? Just like hot water.
Yeah.
Right?
Hot water with a little flavor.
Yes, this little kind of a floral touch, honey flavor. is there.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Just drink and let me know which kind of flavors you feel. Normally we sip it
Yeah.
like this. That's when only we can get the full experience of the tea tasting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the right. You know the technique.
Thank you. You're teaching me. I'm learning.
Then the green tea.
Yeah, it's nice. It's different.
What flavor? What do you feel? What is the flavor?
It's warm water, but a little honey.
Yeah.
Sweetness.
Yes.
Little sweetness is there.
Yeah.
So second, green tea. Green tea we just make from the normal tea. Any green tea variety we can use. There are some modified varieties as well, but here normally we use the green color one for the green teas.
Yeah.
So here we have the full leaf green tea. That means the tip with the first leaf only we take for the green teas. So once we brew it, this first leaf and bud, it's open.
This
like
is the bud opening
Yes.
ones. Oh, okay. What are the beginning?
What
This is
are
the best kind.
Yes.
Best kind of green tea. Yeah.
When we purchase kind of powder form one, we don't know actually which part it is in. Because here we can identify most top part is there. Actually.
You can actually see the leaf.
See the leaf, yeah.
ඒක එක්ස්පයර් නැතුව කොච්චර කාලෙ තියාගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි ගණන් කරනවා අවුරුදු දෙකක්. හැබැයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි කියනවා ටී එකක අපි හදපු දවසේ ඊට පහුවදා පාවිච්චි කරන්න එපා කියලා. මොකද gradually it increase the flavor for a certain amount, then continue for about 6 months like period, then gradually
Then it will
decrease.
decline.
Yes.
I see.
So this is green tea. The liquor color is yellowish green color.
Should we sip it like the same way? The same technique?
Yes, yes.
Same technique.
Is this your cup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
අර වොෂ් කරලා නැතුව ඒක වරම ඒක ෆ්ලේවර් එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ
No,
නැහැ.
no. This was empty.
ඊළ බලමු.
It has a green tea flavor.
Yeah. A little bit of bitterness is there.
Bitterness.
That's the typical green tea flavor.
Sorry.
It's so pure.
You have to control the breathing
Yeah.
and sipping both. If not, you will in trouble.
Right? But it has a virgin green tea flavor.
ඒකම බෑ අපිට.
බැරි මොකද?
නෑ එකපාරට ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරුයි. Yeah, this is the clone that we use this one for
Silver
silver
tips?
tips. Yeah.
Which one do you use? The whole thing?
No, only this tip.
Oh my.
Only the tip. That's why we call it silver tips.
Look at the silver
See
tip. Can you bring it closer? Look.
Yeah.
So she only takes the tip of it. This is why it's called silver tip.
Yeah.
Look. It has that white tea flavor with a little bit of sweetness. And you have to like sip it like with that noise. Like when you are drinking Chinese soup. Look at that. Excellent.
From normal green tea varieties, once we dry the tip, it will like this. It will not silver color. Just a little bit, dull color is there.
And then eventually it turns silver or?
No, this is normal green tea tip. So, what I want to emphasize, from normal green teas we can't produce silver tips.
I see.
Yeah. Only this clone we can produce this silver
So
tip.
once you have taken this, what do you do to the rest?
Just rest we can take for a wangiri peko or just
Okay, so
cutting
you
in.
never waste it.
No, never
Yeah.
waste.
Yeah. So you have to go to the garden and specifically look for silver tips?
Yes.
Or, okay.
Yes.
In
There is a
Patch.
batch.
Okay.
Batch only the silver tips clone. Only that clone only.
Okay.
So we have to do the selective plucking.
Yeah.
Only the tip.
Yeah.
And the rest again we pluck rest.
Yeah.
And take for a wangiri peko or
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
sell for a factory.
I see.
Yes.
Did you make an English name for Wangiri Peko?
That is the name. That is the name.
English and Sinhala.
English Sinhala. That is the name.
There's a mortar, it's Wangiri.
Yes.
But it doesn't, it's not as...
If we say it's mortar peko, it's kind of.
It's not nice.
doesn't
It
feel-
doesn't give the same...
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, same feeling.
So then the golden tips, the world most expensive tea. So this is made from silver tips.
The most expensive tea in the world. It's
Yeah.
golden tips. Ah, you can smell it. It smells. It has a delicate, like tobacco kind of
Yeah.
smell.
So through the unique rolling process, through the unique rolling process of silver tips, we made golden tips. That unique rolling process doesn't know everyone. That is why it is that much expensive.
So that's also a clone.
Yes, that is this one we made from this one. That means this clone.
Okay.
So we use these silver tips to produce these golden tips
How?
through the unique rolling process.
Ah,
We
okay,
roll
I
this
missed it.
one
Yeah.
in a
In
very
a-
kind of a rolling process.
Okay, okay.
Hand
So you
rolling
have to
process.
hand, okay.
So this is the liquor color. It's a little bit of
That's the golden one?
golden one. Yeah. So this is the golden one. That also a kind of a light tea, not the
Yeah,
hard
yeah,
one.
yeah. Right. This is also not a strong tea, it's a light tea. And so far we have not had too much caffeine.
Yes, yes. Normally when we do tea tasting, we have to try first light tea, then gradually we need to go for a
Strong
strong one. If not, if we drink the strong one first,
Yeah,
then we can't
lose-
feel anything else.
Yeah, we lose the
Yes.
appetite for
Yes.
tea.
Then this is not a tea, it's a kind of a herbal drink. It's a pea flower with rosemary.
I see.
Okay.
Very famous in
Yes.
the US. Salmonella. Oh. Is this also the Katarulu flower?
Yes, cuttle flower.
I see.
No,
look, at
cuttle
the,
flower.
look at the color. Yeah. Butterfly?
Yeah, butterfly, blue butterfly pea with rosemary.
Katrol, butterfly. See if you know this flower. I will show it to you.
Hmm.
Yeah, you can smell it. You know it, I think.
පුතා ඒ කලින් මට මේක කබල් කටේ
ඔය එක golden tea එක ඊළඟ එක butterfly flower. Next we have to do wangidi.
No. Next, the hand rolled OP type tea. OP means orange pepper.
කටරොල් එක දුන්නු
So, this is a kind of a version of the green tea into black tea like things. That means we use the same part of the tea shoot which we use for a green tea. Here we do not do the fermentation process. Fermentation is fermentation process again. We omit that part in green teas, but here in black needles, we call this black needles. So black needles, what we do, we take the most upper part, that means the tip and the first leaf, and bring here, and using these tags we do withering around 12 hours. Withering means we just lose.
Let it wither.
Yes.
Hey,
let it
those
wither. Then after 12 hours we do the hand rolling. Then hand rolling is around 3 hours. Hand rolling is there.
Process.
Yes. Then we let it to ferment around 1 or 2 hours, depend on the weather and the temperature and humidity.
So outside in the open,
No. The
inside.
normal room temperature. Yes. Then we do the dry.
Okay.
How we dry? We do the pan fry.
Okay.
That is the traditional method.
Yeah.
This is a kind of a hard tea, kind of a strong tea.
Yeah. ඒක තේ රසක් එනවා.
අපිට හුරු රස පොඩ්ඩක් එනවා.
කහට එනවා ඒක.
එතකොට ඒක brew කරාන් පස්සේ මේ විදිහට as we brew it, the
The leaf
whole
looks
leaf
like
is
that. Soggy.
before brew it's look like this, after brew it's look
It
like
looks like hair before brewing, and after it is soggy like that. Like dried mushroom kind.
the last but not least, Wangedi Peko. Wangedi Peko is a traditional handmade black tea. No more grades, only one grade.
No. Smell this. This has the strongest bangedi. Like they use some mortar to grind it.
Yes, that is
like
the
a-
mortar and pestle we use.
The mess,
We
yeah.
call it Wangedi, right?
That's the bangedi, a traditional instrument.
So
that
this
we
is
use to
traditional
grind it.
equipment,
No, it's okay, it's okay.
You can zoom in.
Yeah, I can.
right? Then we do shifting and grading using that cooler. It's also a kind of a traditional equipment. So after shifting and grading by using cooler, we do the pan fry. So this is the liquor color, and this is the brewing infusion.
This is the kind of strongest, right?
Yes, this is the strongest among all of them.
But the locals don't experience any of these, right? They just experience the black tea.
Black tea, but there are different grades now. So there are dust number 1, dust 2,
Right.
DOP, DOP. Likewise, there are so many grades.
Yeah.
Around 150 grades are there. So most very good grades are going to export market. The least are we are
Being
consuming
used,
here.
okay. Being used.
Yes.
This is why if you had anything, any sweetener,
Yes.
the whole flavor disappears.
Yes.
You should just have it as is.
Yes. Sugar or milk, anything I'm not recommended to add
Yeah.
for a tea.
Yeah. I never was. Awesome.
If you sip it, you can feel the real taste.
Right. It's just right.
So that's all.
You are a professional. You have a degree on it, right? You did specifically the studies on tea.
Yes. Not only the tea, but all the export goods like my bachelor's is export agriculture.
I
and
see.
I'm doing
Yes,
master's in
Ah.
Yes,
he
darling.
gave it from Vietnam.
බොරුවක් කියලා දුන්නේ. හැබැයි මම දන්නවා. මම දන්නවා. හරියනේ.
මම වියට්නාම්
ඒක නේ නුදල පිළිලක් නෑ නේ ඇත්තටම ඒක කියන්නේ
මම
පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න එතකොට වටිනවා